Mastering Idioms, Against the Clock. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of idioms, specifically the phrase, against the clock. This idiom is commonly used in English, and understanding it can greatly enrich your language skills. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Against the clock is an idiom that means doing something under time pressure or working within a limited time frame. Imagine a scenario where time is literally chasing you. That's what this phrase encapsulates. It's often used in situations where someone has to complete a task quickly and within a deadline. The origin of against the clock is rooted in competitive sports, such as racing. In these activities, competitors are not only battling against each other but also against the time clock. Over time, this phrase transcended sports and became a common way to describe any situation where time is a crucial factor. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. In a work setting, we were working against the clock to finish the project before the deadline. In personal tasks, I was against the clock to prepare dinner before the guests arrived. In academic contexts, the students were against the clock to submit their assignments by midnight. These examples showcase how versatile the idiom is and how it can apply to various scenarios. 1. Relate to personal experiences. Think of a time when you were in a hurry to complete something. Linking the phrase to your own experiences can make it easier to remember. 2. Practice in conversation. Try using against the clock in your daily conversations. The more you use it, the more naturally it will come to you. 3. Listen for it in media. Pay attention to movies, TV shows, and news where this phrase might be used. This can help reinforce its meaning and usage. That's a wrap on Against the Clock. We hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom effectively in your English conversations. Remember, mastering idioms is a great way to sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and you'll be using English idioms like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.